Hi guys, we are from 9G.
My name is Widya Audelia.
My name is Indah Wulandari.
My name is Anis Fitria.
My name is Maya Angela. Today we're gonna make a bananas crispy with chocolate and cheese on top. So let's get started. Ingredients is bananas, flour, bread flour, salt and sugar, water, oil, cheese, and chocolate.
Plate, cutting board, knife, spoon, and pen.
Okay, the first step is we have to cut the banana. Like this. We pour water into the flour. Stir the flour evenly.
A few moments later.
After the flour evenly, put the sugar and salt. Stir the salt and sugar evenly. Put the bananas that have been cut into the flour mixture. Then, put the banana in bread flour. Back and forth the banana so that the bread flour is evenly distributed. Wrap it with the other bananas.
Pour the oil.
Ya, mana sih bilangnya?
Two hours later.
We add the oil now. We wait a few minutes.
Bakar mantan.
A few moments later.
After the oil is hot, we add the banana.
Wow.
Keep silent, bro. Tidak banyak malu.
We flip the banana. So it cook evenly. Become a little brown, we drain the banana.
Wow, gosong janjian nyaman dah.
On a plate, into the chocolate. A cheese. The banana crispy with cheese and chocolate top is finished.
Yay!
Okay guys, I hope you like the result. Don't forget to try it.
Dah.
Bye.
Masa aku gitu sih?
But I